Hello Professor, my name is Het Kumar Prajapati and today I am presenting ethical diamond mining in Russia. Let's start with the brief introduction. The simulation of the project manages a mining company in balance profitability, ethics and sustainability. It explores mining challenges observed in the real world and the social, economic and environmental outcomes are shaped through decision making. Let's start with the company stage 1. In stage 1, my goals are related to develop a successful and sustainable mining company for diamonds, and my main focus is on ethical practices and fair labor standards, decreasing environmental damage with the help of responsible methods, and supporting the development for local community. uh, and next slide about selection of country. I selected Russia to set up a mining company. The richest diamond deposits of the world is held by Russia. Efficient operations are supported by strong mining infrastructure and the availability of high resources and profitability in the long-term goal. The next slide about the impact of choice. Like selecting Russia offers access towards the large reserves of diamond, and increase in equipment and cost of maintenance can observed due to the harsh climate. Looser regulations need more efforts for ethical operations, and the local trust can be built through strong community investment. Next, the company stage 2, in which I choose primary deposit, uh, because it gives me high mineral purity is offered through primary deposits. It ensured a steady and long-term production. It also supports sustainability and profitability organization. I selected underground mining for primary deposit, and underground mining decreases environmental impact. It ensured a proper access toward high quality, and also align with the sustainability goal of the company. Next slide about the impact of my choice. Like underground mining helps in decreasing surface disturbance and improves the preservation of habitat, provide access towards high grade and deep ore, which improves resource efficiency as well as profitability. An increase in the initial cost can be observed through complicated operations which require to enhance workforce and advance machinery. Strict environmental and safety tools, continuous compliances with regulation monitoring. Company stage 3, in which I decided to process the materials in the local area near the site of mining. Local process helps in supporting the development of community and improves job opportunity. It helps in decreasing the cost associated with transportation along with the emission of carbon footprint. It requires a high initial investment for skilled labors and proper infrastructures. The major concern about environmental fallout, like the major concern will be tailings and waste materials. It should manage both water and soil contamination. The nearby community can affected, and the airborne pollutants, the land restoration as well as the managing waste is also important for this topic. The next, about the impact of choice. The local processing helps in boosting employment and skills of the community. It decreases the risk of negative environmental impact, which aligns with long long distance transportation, and the cost of infrastructure is more than expected. Apart from this, we can improving the reputation of the company through sustainable and ethical practices. It's the closing time, so company stage 4, in which the main focus of my company goal and the remuneration effort about on the sustainable and ethical mining of diamonds, invested in environmental remediation after closure, supporting the growth of the local community along with resilience, and strengthening the reputation and trust in the long term. The company operated in developing nation. like I choose developing nation, and the rules associated with the environment were moderately strict. High standard volunteers were necessary, and the main focus was community support. So what I learned, like the ethical mining needs a long-term vision. Sustainability helps in bringing success in the long term. Like proud of taking actions that are sustainable and ethical, and the development efforts toward the company, which is meaningful to me. Like conclusion. So in conclusion, I like to say like developing an ethical mining company is challenging, however rewarding. Sustainable practices help in ensuring social and environmental benefits. Customer choice significantly impacts the global industry, and I will support ethical and eco-friendly companies. So that's it. These are references. So thank you.